Hey guys, and welcome to another video. I'm doing another what I eat in a day. You guys have always been asking for more videos like that, so I'm gonna start off with lunch. So I had coffee earlier that morning. I love me some blonde rose coffee. I started using this creamer. I can't find it anymore at Target and it's really sad. But anyway, to my lunch. I'm just wiping the tears away real quick. I had some toast and turkey basically. So I have my own avocado mash that I made myself. That I'm gonna add to this. So we're just gonna lay the toast out. We're gonna add the avocado mash right onto the bread, just like that. Add our turkey on there. Bam. Some tomatoes. I put some pepper on that thing, some onions, and I'm just gonna put some hot sauce on it and some pickles because I'm gross like that. After that, I did have a Monster, and you don't have to be like me. You don't have to have a Monster, but I had to go work out. So onto my snack. So after I worked out, I made me a protein shake. So I used this GNC regular protein shake on my counter, not my bathroom. As you can see, this is a hallway, and I just add 1 scoop of this vanilla whey protein. I don't use it anymore because I ran out and I use plant-based protein now, but it's fine. We're gonna add a banana, and then some peanut butter because I love me. Oh, I almost dropped it. I love me some healthy fats. Yes, my dude. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of this creamer because it's delicious. And the rest is just water and ice. And then I blend that bad boy. Oh, boom, boom, boom. I'm a NutriBullet. I love a NutriBullet. I basically use it every single day. So, and that's it. Ooh, it's so creamy and nice and delicious. And then you're gonna see me. I'm a little ugly, but oh my God, the shake is so good. Oh my God, it's so good. Oh, look at that. That's a happy girl. She happy, yes. And then this is my second snack. So I basically just ate fruit because I really wasn't hungry after that protein shake. So I had some pineapple from my cafeteria. Yes, my cafeteria be hooking me up sometimes. It don't happen often. And I went back home and I had some mango that I cut up. And it was good. And then right before bed, I've been trying to get more sleep because your girl, she be tired. So I'm making me some of my TV Blends Relax Mix. I just put a teaspoon of there. You can use my code Kelfie25 for 25% off your own mix. And that knocks me out. So I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Bye.